This is the highest point in Europe, Mont Blanc. And this is a DJI Tello. Currently they released the Ironman edition of DJI Tello, so I thought I would make a video and show what Tello can do. So now I'm connected to Tello. I'm gonna get into the Tello app. Here we are. Tello is recording beautifully. It is time to take off. Whoa! Can Tello find this wind? Let me show you. It's doing a good job, but it's drifting. But still, I mean, for a tiny drone of this size, I'm quite confident of Tello. And now I'm actually in the normal mode. So if I go ahead and switch to fast mode, I'm sure that I'll be able to, yeah, the fast mode is actually a lot more resilient to the wind. Yep. So now let's switch to Tello. Of course the fast mode ruins the footage because, oh yeah, it's doing a good job. The fast mode ruins the footage because it really doesn't care how stable the drone is. It's just fighting the wind. But as you can see, Tello, with this high wind, well, would I call it high wind? Not really. Let me see. Yeah, it's decent wind. Oh, we're losing the height stabilization a little bit because it's all white, and usually white is no good when it comes to some optical stabilization, because DJI Tello is not a GPS drone. So you see, it's losing it from time to time, but it's doing a great job so far. Now I'm gonna switch back to slow mode and film a little so you guys can see what DJI Tello can do. I'm calling it DJI from now onwards. So let's start. Oh, I took a photo, sorry. Let me switch to video mode. Now this is video mode. Tello is recording. Yep. Now the wind got stronger and Tello is doing a good job. But as you see, it's not as stable as the Mavic Air. Earlier I was flying my Mavic Air and the results, I'm sure, won't be the same. But Mavic Air is there and we have this like wind thingy on the shot as well. You can see here, that's what Mavic Air is directly looking at. It is keeping up quite well. Like you can clearly see that Mavic Air can fight some strong winds. Whoa. Yeah. Flying up. Fly back towards me. Let's get this Mont Blanc in the shot and I'm gonna call it the day. Whoa. Yeah. So I've had my Tello for more than a year by now. I'm telling you, it has never disappointed me. Like, I actually gave my first Tello as a present to someone and then I grabbed another one because I was extremely happy with it. I mean, you know, I have a YouTube channel, so some drone companies, they keep sending me like smaller drones, some medium-sized drones, but none of them can match DJI Tello's like ease of use, DJI Tello's like stability. So yes, it's actually a little whoa. Well, you know, it's actually a little pricier than some of the other unknown brands or less famous brands, but I mean, it's $100 for a reason. You can easily use it with your phone. It's limited to, like, I believe 30 feet up, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Then the Wi-Fi connection doesn't matter, and the videos are not that fantastic. But if you're gonna take a photo for your Instagram, or you just want to fly and enjoy flying things, like when I was a kid, all I had access to was those, you know, cheap knockoff helicopters, and they were not as much fun. So for only $100, I believe, or 120 with the combo, so you get 3 batteries out of it, and all those batteries, they last like 10 minutes each, so you get half an hour of flight time with this amazing drone. And if you end up getting the controller that I have another video actually about it. You can check it out on my channel, like Boost Combo. I forgot the name of that game device. Well, again, I'm gonna put a link up here, so you can go ahead and check it out. If you want, you can grab that too. But using the phone at the beginning is pretty cool, so I would definitely advise you to use it with your phone and try it. If you love it, you can grab the controller as well. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really enjoy making videos, and I would like to help you with your next purchase decision. Well, until next video, take great care of yourselves. Arrivederci.